This basically only happens on holy, righteous, good, conservative websites. Never seen it happen on CNN or any one of those. Okay? This is how the people who are antichrist control the websites, and this is how the one ID, the real ID, the domain level, the Google Drive level. Remember when Google said it didn't know who Jesus Christ was when they were rolling out that voice activated thing a couple years ago? They didn't know who Jesus was. So if you don't want to take your country back and your internet back and your life back, and you're going to let the devils control it, remember they started taking the Bible out of school. Then it was prayer. Then they fill it with statue. Then they had the after school Satan club. Then they got classes on Islam, Hinduism, witchcraft, yoga, and a whole bunch of other things. But the Bible and the 10 Commandments, that's what they took out. Okay? So Satan is very slick.